That's my mom, 39 years ago. So, I'm the marketing manager for SkinPen and Biojuve under Crown Laboratories. So, it's exclusively distributed by Healthspan. So, we don't sell directly.
IRAM.
Yes.
Reverse.
So,
What's your last name, ma'am?
Nieto. So, currently, the SkinPen, Biojuve, and others premium products are exclusively distributed by Healthspan. We're located in Proscenium, Rockwell. We have an academy. We train a lot of doctors.
Really?
Our brand values are education, innovation, and customer service. That's why we also partner with Ensorcell, a premium clinic here in Green Hills, newly open premium clinic, because we believe that it's better that we partner with them because we can't sell directly to the consumer. It's better that the experts knows we train them first. So this is part of our partnership. We wanted to showcase to you, media and PR and influencer, how premium SkinPen is. It's from Crown Aesthetics in US. So, unlike yung mga cars,
When did it start here in the Philippines?
We started SkinPen last year alone. And with last year alone, we sell more than 100 pens in 1 year. So right now, we're going for 200. So that's the number of pens you can avail nationwide in the Philippines. So right now, from north to south available, even in the far areas in Visayas and Mindanao, meron tayong SkinPen. So, saan ako napudol kanina, ma'am? So, yun nga, it's very premium in the US. So, you're familiar with cars, di ba? Ang mga cars, pag dumating dito parts, tas i-assemble. With SkinPen, we don't. Sa US siya engineered, patented technology, at dadating siya dito. iPhones, I'm seeing a lot of iPhones here. So iPhones kasi, diba, the design is in California. Yeah, but they assembled in China. It's nothing against it, but I mean, still, you know that they assembled, hindi siya buo. Unlike with this one, buo. So you're assured in terms of the quality and all the parts and even the charger, the simplest charger, galing sa US. And then we warranted Ensorcell for everything. And of course, ang priority is your safety, even the needles na gagamitin sa inyo. Now, if you ask me, the needles, ang dami namang microneedling eh. Open your Shopee, open your Lazada. You can buy your own. But it doesn't guarantee you safety. And it doesn't guarantee you the result that the premium brand can offer. So let me do this in layman's. No offense on the Android, pero bakit tayo lahat naka-iPhone? It's like the iPhone of microneedling. It's like the Mercedes-Benz of microneedling. Ganun siya ka-premium. Sino ba yung mga gumagamit ng SkinPen in the US? We have Jennifer Aniston and Victoria Beckham. So yung mga younger, baka hindi na nila kilala. But as your mom or dad about it, Victoria Beckham is the wife of David.
David Beckham. Sa London siya.
Yes, because we have also SkinPen in London. And then US is Jennifer Aniston. But as much as we want to, kasi di ba pag mga celebrities and influencers, hindi naman nila sasabihin lagi na nagpapagawa sila. But of course, this is the first and only US FDA approved. How important it is sa inyo? Would you try something on your face na hindi approved ng Philippine and lalo na ng US? Sa amin sa industry, I've been for more than 10 years in aesthetics and 20 plus years in the pharma industry. Dito sa Philippines, may mga regulations na natapos. But US, you cannot. Pinakamahirap magpa-approve ng products is in the US market. Skincare man yan. I think Kiehl's is US, yung mga known brands is US, MAC is US, Kiko Milano is Paris. Cosmetic and skincare brands, pinakamahirap sila magpa-approve. Kahit European product pa sila sa US. So ito, US FDA na siya. Then when we brought it here, together with his or her sister, Biojuve, it's US FDA. This is naman probiotics. I'll go on this later on. But the main star, as mentioned by Ma'am Chris, thank you for this opportunity, is really SkinPen. So you buy in Lazada, tapos ginawa mo. Or meron kang pinuntahang clinic, tapos ginamit sa'yo hindi standard microneedling. Even yung, yung pa-apples to apples. I don't want to mention brands kasi I'm not the kind of marketing na direct on kita. May isang brand yan na una dito. Yung di Bluetooth, di medyo may discrepancy pa doon. Kaya hindi siya accurate, di ba? Pag medyo digital, minsan nagkahang mga phones or mga computers. Siya manual talaga. So, very safe. Pindutin niya lang. So, that's it. Ganun siya. Di ba, you love iPhones kasi user-friendly siya, ma'am.
Yes.
Pag ginamit mo, walang kung ano-anong technology power, ika-calibrate ka na, kailangan ng speed ni madam kasi ako marami acne scars, 8,000 RPM. Ikaw, clear face ka pa, dapat 2,000 RPM ka pa. Yung needles mo, dapat ito lang yung gauge. Wala nang ganon. It's as simple as you use one needle for every session mo, and then ika-calibrate ng doctor or ng esthetician na pag si ma'am, ang concern niya lang is rejuvenation, 1.5 depth lang. And you're sure na 1.5 yung tinatarget sa'yo.
So, tina-charge siya.
Yeah, and very social na ang charging niya, parang mag-safe na, di ba? Papasok mo lang siya dyan. Yes, ito lang may cord na nakasaksa. Welcome, sir. So, yeah. So, yun. So, very sure ka. Halimbawa si sir, ang kanya naman, ang problem niya, wrinkles. So, ang depth niya lang is depending dun sa treatment guidelines na ibibigay nila sa kanila. So, different kind of skin types and different kind of skin concerns, yun yung targeted ni Skin Pen. So, wala siyang age. But of course, 18 and below, 17 and below, we advise they ask their derma or pedia clearance. Kasi younger, but it's microneedling. Bakit siya maganda? Ang cute ng mga baby, di ba? Dami kasi nilang collagen. Diba? Tayo nga, namimili na tayo sa Watson sa mga collagen supplements. This is the best. Why? It induces your natural collagen. As we age, smoking, stress, the number one, smoking, stress, pollution, everything, it is the factors that help us, that give us the skin concerns. Doon nagkaka-form ng wrinkles, din nagkakaroon ng problems when it comes to pigmentations and everything. Kasi nga, may extrinsic factor na. Unlike pag baby, nasa bahay lang, kakain, matutulog. So, namin collagen. So, as we age, we lose that collagen. That's why, it's very important we induce our own collagen. Ang gagawin ng Skin Pen is bubutasan mo yung face mo. Hindi mo na makikita, after that, sa loob, intradermally. So, makikita mo, na-try niya na ba masugatan, tapos nag-heal siya mag-isa. Kasi nag-produce siya ng sarili niyang collagen. So, we call it skin remodeling or the collagen induction therapy. So, ano yung phases nun? For a while, inflammation. So, mamumula ka after. Yun lang yung goal nila doctors at ng esthetician sa redness. Hindi mo kailangan butas-butas o dugo-dugo ka. No, we don't want that. Diba? May event si Madam Buwas, gusto niyo ba? Then 24 hours lang hindi pwedeng basahin. And then after redness, for a few weeks, mag-start na yung proliferation. Means, maglalabas na tayo ng bagong cells. Kasi na-damage mo na yung cells mo. Yung mga bagong cells ngayon, yung magpo-produce ng collagen. So, medyo, makikita mo, may changes. Wrinkles, acne scars, stretch marks, yan, lahat na yan, mga pigmentation, fine lines. We recommend this once a month. But syempre, alam na ang total talaga ng side effect ng aesthetics or ng dermatology is addiction. Dahil ang ganda ng effect sa'yo, gusto mo ulit pabalik-balik. But the stages to abide by the protocol is really 1 month apart or every 4 weeks. Kasi dadaan pa siya, magre-renew pa yung skin mo inside, hindi mo nalalaman, mapapansin mo na lang in the first. But we recommend until to the 3rd treatment, minimum, depending on your skin concern. So, yun. So, pwede natin itong tingnan, nagre-record pala si Sir. So, ayan. Collagen. Kaya pwede itong videohan. Or we can send this to you, PDF, so that if you're going to write anything, or you can get the brochure. So, ayan yung sinasabi ko. With collagen, smoother and vibrant and healthy. Acne scars, yan, common yan ng Filipino. Me as a patient is PCOS. So, innate sa amin and hereditary ang acne scars. Fine lines and wrinkles, melasma, your pigmentation, vitiligo, pero more on sa mga Caucasians yan. And solar lentiginous. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, may facing siya. bago natin ma-remodel yung tissue. That's why Skin Pen is the best skin remodeling device. Clinically proven, anytime, anywhere. So, I mentioned na, Ma'am Chris, mentioned ko, with hair, they had a twist. Skin Pen with a twist, no? Skin Pen treatment.
Yeah. So, as Sir Gabby mentioned, I am not the first aesthetic clinic to have Skin Pen. And there are other providers out there who, because nga Skin Pen is so trusted. So it's actually a testament to how trusted Skin Pen is, because it's the only US FDA cleared microneedling pen. So what we did to distinguish ourselves and to go back to really our ethos as a brand, what our vision is to really provide clients with service that doesn't just deliver results but also makes you feel good. Kasi diba our motto is it's not just about how you look but also how you feel. So we decided to include in all Skin Pen microneedling procedures free lymphatic massage. So it's included in the cleansing routine before you do the anesthesia. We do lymphatic massage to relax the client. And this also goes back to my personal experience as someone who tried those very big derma clinics before I owned my own. Like sometimes it's so transactional. Like you pay a very high premium price for a service and you don't really feel like you got some DLC or you really got the care that you need. So for us, ang important is the client also feels relaxed and they feel good before and after the procedure. So that's the twist with our service. Yeah, the included yung massage and our signature cleansing routine, which later you can experience it for yourself if you want. We have the booth inside now where you can get the first few steps. So yeah.
If it's FDA approved,
Yes.
does it follow that it's available here, or it's available here in the Philippines? If it's FDA approved.
I mean, is the approval there applicable?
Yeah, applicable automatically. Yes.
No, we did apply pa for another one just to be sure.
Yes,
Even
but it's the
though
first US FDA clear. So that's actually how I found out about Skin Pen before they even launched in the
it's
Philippines. I was the
US.
one who told yung mga, like for example, my mom, there's like this FDA approved, but it hasn't reached the Philippines yet. But diba you've been doing, Skin Pen has been around for how many years?
1 year pala.
In the US.
In the US,
In
it's
the
more
US,
than 5 years.
yeah, in the US, it's
more than
I think mga 6 years.
Yes.
Because I've been hearing about Skin Pen because I saw that they were featured when Victoria Beckham got microneedling done. And then Olivia Culpo also mentioned that she's former Miss Universe. So I've been keeping up with the trends and with the celebrities who do it. Yun. It's some of the celebrities' best kept secret kasi they wouldn't tell. They wouldn't tell naman na, oh, I get microneedling once a month. Siyempre sabihin nila na buy my skincare or something.
Yes.
So, yun. So, yun. I think Skin Pen is a good fit for us nga because scientifically backed results and then with our protocol for relaxing the clients before the procedure kasi Skin Pen can be so daunting.
How different or similar is this from the ones na connected to a machine? Yung parang...
Like the RF microneedling.
Since
For me personally, hello. We're just doing a roundtable discussion on Skin Pen. For me personally, I prefer kasi the control that you have with Skin Pen microneedling. As I've shown you, I'll show you how we do it. So when you insert this single-use needle, you can see na meron siya dito na yung
fixed
depth.
na.
Yes, the depth. So you can adjust the depth depending on the client's skin. So some of us have thicker skin, some of us are more sensitive. So what I like is the amount of control, and since you know yung kamay mo, yung bilis and everything, mas controlled siya compared with other energy devices that na parang naka-preset.
Yes.
So not as much control. That's why I prefer microneedling. And also there are many safety mechanisms in skin pen microneedling that make it safe for not just the client but also the provider, the one who will do it, knowing that every time they can deliver the same exact results.
And
To help out, ma'am, we're very innovative. Actually, this is the first. I've been doing this VIP event for other clinics nationwide, but this is the first time I've seen of an innovative treatment or service. So, congratulations, Sensor Cell, for that. It's the first time na meron pa yung cleansing routine, signal and lymphatic, which is very good. Because pag naririnig yan ng mga consumers or ng mga patient natin, ay, needle, ay ano, di ba may fear ng gano'n, especially the first timers. So it's very nice that they have that routine prior to the microneedling. Even though they know, and we will all know, if you wanted to experience or book your treatment, hindi naman talaga siya painful kasi nag-a-apply sila ng anesthetic topical before the procedure. So, to help out, man, what makes skin pen different from other microneedling device? I told you it's US made, but the technology is a reciprocated mechanism, but the needles are from Japan. 14 stainless steel. You know how Japan is when they make their steel. It's of premium quality. So, ito, naka-Japan stainless steel needles yung gagamitin sa'yo. Very steady, very safe, very sharp. It stays sharp until 80 minutes. That's why we recommend patients for Ensorcel na pinagawa mo na yung face mo, ilang minutes lang ito gagawin. Sama mo na yung stretch marks mo, or yung acne mo, or yung kung may surgical scar ka dito from ano.
I actually did also on my hands.
Yes.
Because I have sunspots. And then I did on only one hand to see. Tapos hindi na siya pantay.
Hindi na siya.
Kasi mas nabawasan na.
May brightening effect kasi siya. And even the neck, sabay na.
Yeah.
So it doesn't mean na after 80 minutes, hindi na siya sharp. It's not as sharp as the first 80 minutes, but it still can work. But hindi ka nila gagawin for 80 minutes. It's so long na. So sayang lang kasi yung time mo na anesthetic ka and nag-lymphatic massage ka. So maganda. We recommend patients for Ensorcel to do body treatment as well.
That's why the more areas that you do the microneedling, the cheaper it is.
Yeah. This is the one I've been referring to. This is versus other microneedling device. Mamaya sasagutin ko yung sa other devices. Imagine kung ganyan yung needles na papasok sa face mo. Gusto nyo ba? And this is study of skin in microscopic. Yeah, that's why yung mga nabibili sa Shopee, Lazada, and even the competitors, you're not sure. But with skin pen, it's straight and sterile. That's why we call it skin pen precision system. It's very precise. Pag sinabi niya, doon 2mm step or 1.5, yun talaga yung pupuntahan ng needles. So, di ba, ayaw natin yung mga patients natin ganyan. Less pain, quicker endpoint, stay sharp as 80, quicker recovery.
So the needles are disposable?
Yes.
Yes.
One needle, one patient, one session. It's very sterile. Ayaw natin yung gamitin ulit sa iba, madam. So, that's why ito ay disposable after session. So, might as well, magawa mo na yung other body parts.
And I mentioned also
additional payment.
Yes, syempre mag-charge
yeah, additional na siya, pero it's just like parang for example, if face and neck additional 3,000 na lang instead of doing 12,500, 12,500. Kasi 12,500 yung per session na. So,
Yan siya sa loob para makita nyo. So, very precise, di ba? Sabay-sabay sila. Yung iba, hindi mo alam pag nilagay mo kung very precise yung kanilang mechanism inside. Ito yung study na ginawa. Sorry, nandyan yung brand. Ayoko kasi tala. Dermapen, if you see in other clinics. So, tinry nilang stain yung needles kung pag wino-work. So, nakita nyo, may inconsistency. Kailangan kasi consistent. Para natin mamimake yung 3 million microchannels in 20 minutes. Imagine 3 million na channels, 3 million cells mo ang magpaproduce na collagen. Kaya siya very effective. Pero kung hindi precise ang tusok mo, definitely you will not get the same results. Kasi ayan, well, ito more on technical, but you see, may layers kasi yung skin. Kaya we recommend, we show this to patients and even then sa doctors. Diba? Kaya may recommended kaming rep.
I was telling my clients din nga na the reason why I wanted skin pen kasi I've already tried other pens, other microneedling pens. I've been doing microneedling since 2017 and ang dami ko na na-try. Although it helped me with my acne, ang skin pen lang yung nakakapag-erythema sa skin ko na sobrang pantay. So, I'll show you. I did microneedling last May. You can see yung redness niya pantay. Tapos this is 24 hours after. Parang walang nangyari. So this was right after skin pen. Yung pagkapula niya is very pantay. Unlike others na yung iba ma-purple na, yung iba hindi ganun kapula.
So there's no peeling?
There is micro. I'll show you. I have a
very
video.
minimal. Depending on the skin of the patient.
Yes. I have dry skin also, so yung peeling ko mas apparent. But this was me, after 24 hours, nag-client pa ako the next day. So, I can send this to you para you can...
Yes.
Sino sa mga patients yung mga bawal? Like with those underlying
baka you can mention yung
So, when it comes to, I think yung may mga, allergy sa stainless steel.
Yes.
But more or less, it's safe for everyone.
What about those who are
With hypertension,
blood thinners, anticoagulant, because they easily
I think
bruise
they
and
have,
bleed.
for those who have that naman, since yun nga, hindi tayo abot sa bleeding point kasi ultima lang, but they have to check yung may mga naka-under
We
na
usually
medication.
ask for
clearance from their internal
for those who are
medicine.
on blood thinners.
Even those with hypertension,
diabetes.
Pregnant women, lactating moms. So every procedure, I think it's very ethical naman ang answers because they have doctors.
Yeah.
Since it's a procedure, who administers the procedure?
Yeah, so for us here at Entercell, all of our staff are trained by HealthSpan to handle the skin pen procedure. So, ang tagal din namin nag-train. Even ako, I trained din. And I've been doing microneedling since before pa. With my mom then, she's trained also. So, yun, we're very confident na we can provide the procedure na same standard every time.
But you said you started offering since last month only? Skin pen?
Yes.
Alright.
So before that, we did the training, the demos, and everything. Before we even launched last month.
Let me go back to the pain levels.
Yeah.
You mentioned before that everyone has their own parang skin thickness.
Yes.
So, iba yung reception natin sa pain. So, what do you normally tell your client when they inquire about the procedure? Is it painful? Is it not painful? What do you tell them?
So, actually, yung pain reception ng client doesn't actually necessarily depend on how thick or thin the skin is. Kasi I've had clients na 70 plus years old, you would say na on the thinner side yung skin nila, but they have higher pain tolerance. So, I usually ask them like, what kind of procedures are they used to, ganon. Like, do they do facials regularly? For those, for example, we've had a male client na never pa nagpa-facial, never pa, pero may ice pick scars na they want to handle, they want to deal with. So, we offered microneedling. Siya, mas sensitive siya sa pain. Kasi never pa siya nagpa-break, nagpa-ano. So
I check the history of
we check the history of the client. And then, we always apply naman the anesthetic. And yung strength naman ng anesthetic naman is usually enough na wala ka talaga halos ma-feel.
So is it safe to say na it's zero pain after
We
that?
wouldn't say na zero pain siya. But we would say
Little
parang,
discomfort?
parang
Pero minimal to
minimal
no pain.
minimal
No pain.
discomfort.
Depending
So,
kasi
tolerable?
Tolerable.
Yes.
Yeah, hindi ka naman yung parang aayaw or
Yes.
you're not gonna ride in pain naman.
Pero kung sa patient na yun, na super sensitive, hindi nag-work sa kanya yung topical, ano?
No, it works for everyone, yung topical namin.
So, okay na siya.
Yeah. Natakot lang siya kasi never siya nagpa-break, ganun.
Yeah.
Pero he was left with ice pick scars. So, what we did is, yung standard lang na EMLA, and then we usually explain to them what the sensation is. Para siyang, what do you call this? Alam niyo, rubber band.
Yeah.
Parang ganun lang. Parang
Yeah.
pitik-pitik lang siya. Or scratching sensation.
Yes. To help out also Miss Chris here. So, minimal to no downtime. Why we say that? Kasi with one of our experience in Cebu, malayo naman to, when we started selling, sabi ng doctor, ayoko niyan, masakit.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, ayoko niyan. Sabi ko, sige doc, pili ka ng staff mo. Half face may EMLA, half face wala. Yung pinaka lower tolerance mo na staff mo. So we did, half face. Nak-tolerate ng staff niya yung walang EMLA. Bumili siya ng skin. I mean, you know, Ma'am Chris knows that. So,
Yeah.
kung walang topical anesthetic, kaya ng patient, how much more pag
Yes.
nakatikim?
As in, we have clients talaga na talagang natutulog na dun sa...
Yes, parang nasa from my mamaya kasi nandito yung picture ko, pero surprise ko sana siya niya. From my experience, mas masakit pa yung prinik ako nung nagpa-facial ako.
Actually, yun sinabi ng male client.
Yun talaga, mas masakit pa yung pricking
mas
sa
masakit
facial
pa
cases sa skin. Yes, and even the injectable.
But how many sessions do you recommend for the client to get the optimum result?
For those with problem areas like if they have acne scars, or if they have melasma, ganon,
Yes.
dark hyperpigmentation, we usually sell kasi in packages of 3. Kasi yun yung nakita namin ng minimum number of sessions to get the
Desired.
visible
The visible
results.
results.
But we also sell per session for those na who use microneedling as what do you call this? Parang preventative treatment. Kasi there's something called parang preventative and also yung yung nandun ka na sa kailangan mo na siya i-treat. Yeah. So for preventative care, we advise to do microneedling parang every 4 months. That's what I do actually. Yeah.
So, ito yung mga most awards, some of the awards, international, Europe and US ni SkinPen. So, makikita nyo rin naman yan. Follow skinpen.ph and biojube.ph. And even they have Biojube International naman and SkinPen International. So, ayan, na-mention naman na natin to si Victoria Beckham. Meron niyang article. Pwede namin share. Oh, ito, hindi ko siya kilala. Kilala niyo ba siya? Years before I handled skincare, ang kapal kong mag-foundation. Hindi ako lalabas nang wala akong foundation. Tapos papatungan ko pang powder, papatungan pang sunscreen. Ang dami ko nang nilagay, may primer pa. But when I've tried SkinPen, this is just 2 sessions. As in, kasi PCOS ako, tapos pamilya ko talaga, ma-acne scars. So, really, hindi ako naniniwala. Kahit ang tagal ko sa dorm, hindi ako nagpapagawa. Ay, isa lang, first time lang na mahawakan yung mukha ko, SkinPen pa. And it really does wonders. So, even yung pigmentation na maliliit because of smoking, extrinsic factors, stress, sunspots. So, nag-decrease siya 2 sessions. Ngayon, meron ka pa din naman kasi hindi ko pa tinatapos. Sobrang busy. But, ma-addict ka, gusto mo lagi, kasi nare-rejuve ka eh. Yung micropeeling, yun yung sinasabi ko, ma'am, yung hindi, depending on the skin type, yun yung micropeeling. Kasi may session ako na nag-micropeel, may session din na wala.
Yes. Actually, yung recent ko, nag-micropeeling ako. But last year, I remember, around October, baka malamig din kasi, hindi ako nag-peel. Pero nung last session ko na May, para lang siyang sunburn. Na parang parang libag actually na white. Parang white na, white na.
Natatanggal, pwede mo siyang ganun din.
Parang flakes lang.
That picture, ilang sessions?
Ganun din. 2 to 3. Kasi hanggang 3 lang natapos namin na sa study. So makikita mo, di ba? Ikala nga namin balat nung una, hindi pala. Meron siyang hyperpigmentation kasi nagmumotor itong staff na to ng isang clinic.
Parang faster pa siya than laser?
Depending on the laser, oo, may time.
Kung free siya.
Kasi nga po natural, tapos pag hindi ka naman napapahara, stretch marks, although dito hindi kita, 2 sessions lang din. Ito yung maganda. Kasi 2 sessions lang to, tapos aging nail.
Yeah, you can see,
Grabe yan.
So, Rob, magpa-SkinPen. Book yours na, yung mga audience nyo.
Hinahanap ko nga yung before photo ko eh. Before ako nagpa-skin.
So, safe siya all year round. Ngayon, nakatatlo na ako, Ma'am Chris. Pwede po. Wala naman siya overdose.
Yes.
Nasa sa'yo, as long as the patient has budget, go. Kahit yung iba, nakatatlo na or naka-anim na, pwede pa ba ako ulit? Papayagan nyo ng doktor. Kasi para mo na siyang maintenance.
And we even have clients na like na-reach na nila yung goal nila. But then, for example, mag-out of the country sila, na sunburn sila, hindi na pantay yung skin nila, or nagka-texture, ganon. And then they come back, magpapaskin pen ulit sila, babalik siya sa dati. So, yung may mga ganon na parang when you go out of the country, or bigla ka nagka-hormonal acne breakout.
So for acne, what's the interval of doing one skin pen session to another?
4 weeks talaga.
Yeah,
Once a
4
month
weeks.
talaga.
Once a month.
One month.
Although yung iba, tinatry nila yung every 2 weeks, pwede naman din. Kaya lang, di ba, pinakita ko kanina, may, meron kasi, yung skin kasi natin, yung sarili natin katawan, it heals until 30 days. Kasi, yun, mas maganda. Kasi
It takes mga 3 to 4 weeks kasi para mag-regenerate. So,
During the downtime, pwede ka mag-makeup.
yes.
Downtime?
After, di ba 24 hours lang yung downtime?
24 hours, pero we recommend 36
Yeah.
hours.
Usually we
36 to 70
usually we recommend na huwag ka muna makeup for mga 3 days.
Yun. 72 hours. Pero yung downtime, 24 hours lang.
Yung redness.
Tapos, sunscreen ka lang after. Ang important sa skin pen, di ba may sunscreen kayo, is to use sunscreen.
Yeah.
Sunscreen.
Sayang kasi,
Yeah.
nag-heal ka pa eh. Within the next few weeks. Actually, we in the industry recommend always to have
How
sunscreen.
long after can you get your skin wet after the session?
24 hours.
We have an aftercare yung ito.
Ito, yan. Tapos, during the treatment, bibigyan din kayo. Kasi ito yung ginagamit na gliding gel. Yun yung isa pang tanong nyo. Ano separate niya doon sa ibang devices? With machine, with RF microneedling, they use heat. Imagine, ito yung needle. Mainit yan, hindi papasok sa'yo para buaray, para bumutas.
Yeah.
Yun yung ibang device na lasers and machines. They uses the heat. Ito, talagang tinutusok ka na. So, mas painful talaga. May pain talaga doon. Kaya pag narin, microneedling, baka RF microneedling. Sa kayo, hindi siya gliding. Stamping siya. So, yun yung difference nila. And with the post-op gel, yan, magkakalm yan. Meron pa nga silang mask eh.
Yeah.
So, parang wala, parang humiga
sorry.
na lang, tapos may nangyari na sa'yo.
When you say stamping and gliding with a needle, how do you...
is, this one. Yung strokes kasi nito is different from RFS. Tama sa
RF
yung machine
microneedling
yun.
kasi
Oo.
usually
Tak ko narinig
Ganon,
sa...
Stamp kasi yun eh.
and
With
then
this-
sometimes depending on how heavy the
The-
device is, hindi pantay yung
So here, how does the gliding work? Parang the
It's
needle
like this.
gets...
Go, ma'am.
So parang when you put the needle, this is the mask. So when you put the needle, ito na naman yung, yan. So when you put the needle in, so pag inon mo siya, ganito siya. Ganyan siya. Gliding.
Pero paano siya pumapasok?
Nandito yung needle sa
Tapos naka-skin.
It always, it keeps going in ganyan.
Up and down.
Up and down. Yes. So while you're gliding this, yung mechanism niya, it pushes down.
Now I get it.
So somebody needs to do that to you, not yourself.
You can, I have done it on myself.
Wow.
Pero, syempre, we don't kasi this is only being sold to
Doctor
professionals.
yung sinupinig yan. Oo.
This can only be sold to
This
This is only
Ayaw yung mag-install sa
clinic
Like,
owner.
yung mga nakikita niyo sa Lazada, it's not as powerful.
Thank you.
But provide niya rin yung
This is BioJuve. So, ang maganda sa BioJuve kasi they have yung Zyprobes.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you explain more
Okay.
about
So ngayon ma'am, na sa part 2, nilaunch namin last year since very, very popular and very, very maganda yung acceptance ng Philippine market. We launched, you can try po. Pwede itong gamitan na Abby, nabuksan na ito. Try nyo. Ito pwede nyo gamitin. Sino dito sa inyo nagpo-probiotics? Okay, oral, yan.
Yeah. If you have,
Imagine a probiotic, diba, sa gut health, gusto natin, para maging healthy. Imagine the first probiotic, hindi naman siya first probiotic, pero an innovative technology of probiotics in the skin. So, maganda siya i-partner with Skin Pen. Usually, ang recommendation namin, 1 week ka nakaganito, then book ka kay Ma'am Chris ng Skin Pen, tapos ituloy mo nito. Yung sa tanong ni Sir, 24 hours after Skin Pen, di ba pwede ka na mag-wash, you can use the cleansing. This is made of Arabino sugar, prebiotics. Okay, so sa gabi to, we wanted the night muna. Sa gabi, nagkilamos ka na. Ngayon, imagine, spray mo to, pwede natin ito, spray natin ito. Minang 2 hours. Nagilamos ka na. 1 pump lang dapat, 1 pump. This is living cyclones. Millions and millions of cyclones. 5 spray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos ano mo na siya, magiging milky lang siya. Yan. Ganyan lang. Tapos, especially for the men. Di ba? Tamad kayo yung 10 steps Korean, 20 steps, 7 steps. As easy as that. Tapos lagay mo na hanggang neck. Ito ko na lang lalagay yung makeup ako sa yan.
Doon na-activate yung ano.
Yes. So, naman natin, meron tayo nag-sa Watsons or sa mga ibang skincare lang na hindi may probiotics to. Paano nila nalagay sa probiotics yun? This one, after one decade or 10 years of research of Crown Laboratory scientists, they cultured the microbes, which is yun yung mga good, kasi ang skin natin good and bad bacteria. So yun mga microbes, good bacteria, nilagay nila dito, patay sila. Hindi naman patay, sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping.
And this one, in-spray ko para ma-activate sila.
Yeah,
Doon pa lang sila maggagawa. So, anong ginagawa nila dito sa surface ko? Ito, may sugar. Ito yung food nila. So, kinain na nila dahil nag-prebiotics siya. Wala na silang makain. Papasok sila ngayon sa loob ng skin niyo. At maghahanap sila. Ang experience ko dito sa Biojuice, less oily yung mga oily. Kasi nga, pupunta siya doon sa lalagyan ng pores mo, pati doon sa kung saan nagpuproduce ng sebum or ng oil, kakainin din nila yung pati yung mga bacteria. So, mas healthier yung skin mo. Same din yung ginagawa ng probiotics sa tiyan. But imagine this for the skin.
Okay din siya with age, like my age, kailangan ko naman ng moisture, hindi naman siya magdadry.
Hindi. Actually, okay siya for any
Parang
skin type.
think of your skin as like a yun nga, biome, diba?
Biome.
So parang it balances. It
Yes.
regulates the biome that is your skin.
So after that, ang hihilingin lang sa ni Biojuice, it's kape. Meron din siyang pang morning. Pero if you have moisturizers, malagay nyo na lang sa morning. Mas maganda, try nyo muna sa night. Ang promise, it delivers result as visible as 1 week.
Siyempre,
As 1 week, meron talaga kayong makikitang changes sa skin.
how much,
Basta religion. Si Ma'am,
how much is the set?
Wait.
Sa morning naman, ma'am, sa morning natin routine, this one, and then the Biome Support Complex. Kasi syempre, naglagay ka ng baka may mga buhay pa, i-boost mo sila sa morning. Then you can apply your moisture also. Yung gabi lang yung important kay Biojuice muna. Kung meron na kayong existing, or kung naubos nyo na yun, you can try Biojuice.
We'll send you the prices.
Okay,
Pero
sure.
so for microneedling, it's 12.5.
Okay.
Tapos we have mga added na, yung 12.5 kasama na yung red light therapy. We have Celluma, which helps decrease the downtime. Kasi I find na if you do red light therapy, mas less yung redness.
For 12.5, included ba yung or additional yan if mga
Face
neck?
lang.
Face.
Yeah.
Per
So
session.
pag neck plus 3,000, pag plus pag big area, may additional.
Per session yun.
Sorry, 12.5 per session. And then I think we have a discount pag 3 sessions. Yeah.
Pag 1 session lang, wala namang effect sa'yo.
Yeah, pag 3 sessions, it's 10% off. You get 10% off pag 3 sessions. So, you save almost 5,000.
Useless ba pag per session? 1 session lang.
No, may effect ka pa rin na makikita, which is yung parang mas, you get that yung glowing effect.
Pero magbibigyan ka man yan.
Yes.
Gusto mo yung tuloy.
We don't recommend, syempre, we're honest naman. If we see na the client has problem areas like scars or acne marks, we don't say na, I just get 1 session, maybe matutuwa ka na. We'll tell them na realistically, it will take 3 or more sessions if you have acne marks or something. But if you're looking for prejuvenation or preventative, you can see difference na with your skin health after one session. Yeah. We have clients that who do it mga 2 to 3 times a year. It helps them with their oily skin. Mas regulated yung oily skin.
Sige sir, open it.
Yeah. You can actually try to insert